Right, all boxed up. Cut a few holes out for the cables and the DC socket. There is a simple way to get into the calibration mode. I thought I'd better just show that. You're going to need a fixed value non-polarized cap. This is a 222 nanofarad cap. We're going to need that in a minute. First thing you're going to do is just fire it up and then press again. Oops. Let's do it again. Press and hold for a few seconds and then it will flash up transistor. That's where you would have it normally. A quick press takes you to frequency, and again function generator, 10-bit PWM, and that is the capacitance in the SR, and then the rotary encoder that we talked about in the earlier video, and the one you want is a self-test. Once that's highlighted, just press and hold for a few seconds and let go, and then it will tell you to short the probes. So we are just going to short all three probes. Whoops. Sorry, making a dog's dinner of this one. There you go. So the probes are short. It will now run through various tests, and eventually it will come to the capacitance, and you'll need to connect the capacitor between pins 1 and 3, or inputs 1 and 3, and this in my case is the two red cables. So when it asks to do that, we'll do it. So now we're saying isolate probes, so we're just going to do that, and then we're going to have the two red probes at the ready. As soon as it flicks to capacitance, we're going to quickly connect them. Again, if you don't do this quickly enough, it will end the test without it correctly calibrating. Right, that's now waiting for the capacitor to be connected, which we'll do. It's now reading it, and that's it done. And that's the end of the test. So at this point it will go into that menu again, and you can press and go back to transistor. Once that's highlighted, press and hold for a few seconds and let go, and now it will go into the normal test mode. There's nothing connected, so we're just going to connect that capacitor up again and fire it back up. It's testing, and 222 nanofarad, absolutely spot on, and that will turn itself off in a second, and that is that. By moving the battery across slightly, you could fit two of the buttons in there, but the battery is so tight against this plastic cover that I don't think I could get the third one in there, so I just haven't bothered. It doesn't make any difference to me. There's a cutouts for the DC and cable, and all I've done here is I've just super glued a small piece of green elastic band onto the top. That gives me a nice soft touch on-off button. So yeah, very pleased with that. Cables are quite long. If I just bring this out a little bit, you can see how long those cables are, hopefully. Oops, zoomed in a bit too close, but you can get the idea there. And so yeah, hope that was useful. Catch you later.